Hey everyone, in today's quick video, I will show you how to delete contacts from your Gmail account in just a few steps. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is where all your Gmail contacts are managed. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that holds the contacts you want to delete. Once you're in, you will see a full list of your saved contacts. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the contact you want to delete. In the upper right corner, click the three vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. From the drop-down, click Delete. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Click Move to Trash to confirm. And just like that, the contact is removed from your Google account. If you want to delete multiple contacts at once, hover your mouse over a contact and click the checkbox that appears. Select as many as you need. Then click the three dots at the top and choose Delete. Confirm one last time and you're done. That's how easy it is to clean up your Gmail contacts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.